What are the best free stock trading websites, especially if you're a beginner? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. So let's say you're new to trading and don't want to invest in a charting software just yet. Or maybe you just want to quickly look up a stock and see what it does right now. So I personally, of course, have charting softwares, but here is the free website that I like to use. The website that I like to use is finance.yahoo.com. How do you spell this? There we go. finance.yahoo.com. Now, of course, there's many other choices out there, but here is why I like finance.yahoo.com. Let's take a look at it. First of all, it is easy to pull up a quote, and the best, you don't even need to register. Let's say you want to look at Tesla right now. So you can either type in Tesla and it brings up the symbol TSLA. You click on this and then you see a bunch of stuff popping up. What I'm interested in is the chart. So I click on full screen, and when I click on full screen, you see it already remembers my settings. Now you see a line chart here, and if you want, you can change this to a bar chart. Or if you prefer candles, you can do this. As you can see, there's already some basic options, and I personally believe that's all you need. Now, if you want to get fancy, that's when you need a charting software anyhow. So I personally prefer bar charts, and if you want to bring up any indicators, it is that easy. I want to delete the indicators that I have on here and want to show you how I bring them up. So the three indicators that I personally like to use are MACD. So I'm typing in MACD, and you see it comes up right here. You can enter the settings for it, and boom, it is right here underneath the chart. Bring up another indicator. Another indicator that I like to use is the RSI. And you see there's dozens, probably hundreds of indicators already built in there. So here's the RSI. I like to use a setting of 7, and I like to show the overbought and oversold zones at 50 and 50. And again, these are my settings. Your settings might be different, and that's absolutely fine. I just want to show you how easy it is to pull up the chart here. Now, the third indicator that I personally like to use is stochastics. And you see it's really fast to pull up any indicators. Period of 14 is fine. Again, I like to have my overbought and my oversold zones right at 50. Now, I do not need the fast stochastics. I personally only use the slow stochastics. So therefore, let me just show you. Here, I would have both the fast and the slow stochastics. If I don't want to see the black here, I simply change it to white. And here we go, and it is gone, right? So here are the three indicators that I like to use to determine whether a stock is more likely to go up, down, or sideways. And as you can see, it's very easy right now. You will see your recently viewed PTN, for example. It's a stock that I currently own. So I got in here a few days ago. That is one of the stocks. And we're looking back right now over the last 2 years. You see, you can easily change the settings to looking back for a year. You can go year to date, or you can even pick a day chart. So it's really very easy to configure. I personally like to look at a year or 2 years. So again, this is a stock that I'm in right now. And as you can see, you can even draw on it if you want to show some support and resistance lines. Add a line here and here. See, it's fairly easy. Now, the beautiful thing is, once you have configured it the way how you like it, I mean, it remembers the settings. So if you come back the next time, it will remember your settings and you don't have to do it again. Now, of course, this is a very basic charting software, but if you're new to trading and you just want to pull up a stock and maybe plot a few indicators on your charts, I believe that finance.yahoo.com is one of the best choices, especially since you don't have to register. Now, there are other websites like tradingview.com, but that I would consider it's more like an app, and we'll do another video on this one. So, in short, what are the best free stock trading websites, especially you're a beginner? Start with finance.yahoo.com. and play around with it. You will be amazed of what you can already do with this free resource. Well, what websites do you recommend? Leave a comment below and let me know if this was helpful, and also which websites do you use or which websites do you recommend. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more cool videos like this. And I'll talk to you soon. Click on like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.